use our simple solar setup for our machines. Okay? Ang specification nito, ang kailangan niyang power is 220 volts. Di kuryente po to. Pero gagamit tayo ngayon ng 12 volts baterya. So, nagiging dual na siya. Okay? So, i-on lang natin yung inverter. Natin kung mapapagana natin. Ayan, gumana yung ating machine. So, kung walang kuryente, pwede tayong gumamit ng battery. Kasi mayroon na tayong 10,000 watts inverter. Okay. Then, subukan natin na paganahin yung ating machine. Kayang-kaya niya pong paganahin. Then, mapunta tayo sa specification ng aming solar setup. Simple solar setup to ha. Hindi siya totally complete solar setup for this kind of machine. It's a simple lang, pang backup lang natin in case of power interruption. So, we have the 550 watts mono solar panel. We have the charger controller. Dito makikita natin na nagcha-charge yung ating battery. Okay? Namomonitor natin na nagcha-charge yung ating battery. Then we have the gel type solar battery, 100 Ah. Then we have the 10,000 watts inverter. Okay? So, kung sa solar setup, huwag kayong papayag na setupan kayo ng car battery. Kasi ang car battery, ang kailangan niyan is alternator. Malakas na ikot para mag-charge yung ating battery. Kaya ang kailangan dyan, dapat naka-deep cycle setup kayo ng solar setup. Para yung harvest ng ating panel, diretso mismo sa ating gel type battery o lithium battery o lead acid battery. Okay? That's it. Thank you.
Ni Rizal Aquino, taga Kawayan City, Isabela, di Barangay Marabulig. Napintas na ito may isa nga negosyo nga kasi nga pamayan. Panangasibay tinyak ni Sir Victor Kahag. Kin affordable lang ni ati machine na. Kin napintas mo nga pangrugyan ang negosyo.
Good day to everyone. I'm Victor Kahag of Kahag Fuel. Then we would like to present to you our 4KL 2 hoses machine. Ganito po kalaki ang aming 4KL. The good thing in our machine now is 5 years warranty sa aming tangke. Bakit? Mas maganda na po ang aming tangke compared to tank coming from China. Meron po siyang automatic tank gauging system, which is we can monitor, we can see the remaining fuel of our tank. Then meron din po siyang inventory features. Ayan. Meron din po tayo, nakikita natin kung ilang litro yung na-dispense natin araw-araw. All parts comes with 1 year warranty and the tanks comes with 5 years warranty. So, and then meron din tayong 1 year maintenance services. Magpapapunta kami ng technician sa inyong area, then kami po bahala within the 1 year warranty period for the maintenance services of your machines. So, kung gusto nyong ganitong negosyo, fuel dispenser, di kaya micro gas station, just contact Kahag Fuel on our Facebook page. Thank you and have a good day.